Let's learn how to find the Watch Later playlist on the YouTube mobile app. I'm using an iPhone, but you can follow these same steps on the Android app as well. The Watch Later playlist is a handy feature where you can save videos that you come across but don't have time to watch immediately. You can add them to the playlist and come back to watch them later when you have more time. It's really simple to find the Watch Later playlist. First, open the YouTube mobile app. Let me show you how to add videos to your Watch Later playlist. Find the video you want to save. Tap on the three dots next to the video and select Save to Watch Later. Now, to find the playlist and the videos you've saved, all you need to do is tap on the library icon at the bottom of the screen. Under the playlist section, the Watch Later playlist is typically the first one listed. It's a private playlist, so only you can see it. Once you open it, you'll see all the videos you've added. For example, I have 3 videos in my Watch Later playlist right now. If I want to watch them, I can just tap on Play All, and they'll start playing in order. And that's how you can easily find and use the Watch Later playlist on YouTube mobile. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.